Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're unlocking one of the fastest, cleanest strategies for scaling your business without burning out. Starting low ticket and then stepping people into high ticket offers. Here's the reality most people miss. You don't need to choose between low ticket and high ticket. You can, and should, use both. Smart brands start by building trust with accessible offers, then guide their audience into deeper transformations over time. It looks like this. You lead with a low-ticket offer, something priced between $27 and $97, that solves one immediate, urgent problem. It's easy for people to say yes to, it moves fast, and it gives them a small but meaningful win. That small win builds trust. It proves you're the real deal, and it opens the door for the buyer to naturally want more support, more depth, bigger results. Once they experience that first win, you introduce your mid-ticket or high-ticket offers. These could be full programs, private coaching, memberships, or premium transformations that command $297, $497, $1,000 or more, and they land easier because the buyer already feels safe investing with you. Starting low-ticket first isn't about staying small. It's about accelerating the trust curve. Buyers who spend $27 and love what they get are 10x more likely to later spend $500 or $2,000 with you, without needing endless convincing. The reason this works is simple. Small financial yes decisions trigger bigger emotional yes commitments. Every micro-conversion builds momentum toward a major one. If you try to jump cold leads straight into a high-ticket offer without any prior trust or smaller wins, you're asking for friction, objections, and hesitation. But when you layer your offers properly, the sales process feels like a natural graduation, not a hard sell. Final tip: you don't scale faster by starting high ticket. You scale faster by earning the right to offer high ticket. Lead with quick wins, build loyalty through results, and then open the door to your bigger transformations. And your brand will rise faster, smoother, and stronger.